In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your MacBook like new again. So if you're looking to sell or give away your laptop, you may want to erase all of the data on your Mac. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, and this will work on both MacBook Pro and also MacBook Air as well. So all you need to do is go and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side of the screen, and then you can click on System Settings. From this left hand navigation, we need to click on General, and then you can press Transfer or Reset. Now click on Erase All Content and Settings, and then you'll just need to enter the password to your Mac computer. Once you've entered your password, here's all of the information about what's going to be deleted. So as you can see, you'll be signed out of your Apple account, and basically all of your data on this Mac is going to be permanently erased. So it will be just like when you first purchased the Mac out of the box. So if you're happy to do this, you can just go and press continue, and that's how you make your MacBook like new again. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.